Welcome back. So for today's look, we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyebrows. So I used the NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil, and I just, created my eyebrows like I regularly would do. Make sure you watch my tutorial on that. Just filled them in, made them completely white. I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Love Signs palette, and I'm taking that shade of blue, and I'm just packing that on top of that white to give, because it's the same color as my hair a little bit. So we're doing color brows today, honey. So then I'm going in with the LA Girls Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm just cleaning up the top and the bottom, making sure that to create that high arch that you want. And then I'm going in with this Angel Eyes Luscious Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm just placing that all over my eye, making sure to get a smooth base for this look that we are about to create today. So I'm starting off with this purple from the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. And then I'm just going in with the crease and building that purple up to the intensity that I need it to be. And then I'm going ahead and flicking that edge out a little bit because we're doing a little dramatic look today. And then also I'm going in, I don't know what palette this is from, but I'm just taking the black and I'm just deepening that purple up. I'm using the Morphe M506 brush today. And then I'm going to go ahead, once that's complete, I'm going in with the ColourPop Concealer in the color Fair 02, and I am just going to cut that crease. This part takes so long. I know it's sped up, but like, take your time. And definitely take your time and make sure that you extend it all the way out into that wing, just, to clean everything up. And we are finally done. Like, it took so long. Now I'm gonna go in with this Juvia's Place pink, and I'm gonna pack that right on top of there. And it's okay if you make a little mess because we're gonna clean that up later. And cut a second crease. This one don't have to be as perfect, and it should already be, kind of carved out for you, so you don't have to do too much. But yeah, that's what you're gonna do. Then I went ahead and placed a green color on the inner portion of my lid. And then I went ahead and placed a blue color on the outer portion and just blended those two together. And both of these shades are from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I do have some 25mm lashes on. I'll leave the link down below on where you can purchase. Next, I'm going in with the Touch in Soul Poreless Primer, just priming my face. And then I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Rockefeller Records, because we get with the foundation, and I'm putting that on. And I'm using, for my concealer today, I'm using my favorite ColourPop. Y'all know I rocks with the ColourPop. So yeah. And this is in the color Deep 40 and Deep 42. And I'm just buffing that out with this brush that I got. I don't know what kind of brush this is, I'm sorry. I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, and I'm just setting all the concealer and everything that I placed on there and wiping that out with my new Motor brushes, bitch. And then I'm going and then I got this Cover FX palette that I got in my BoxyCharm also, and I'm just using that to contour, and I used the blush also. So that palette, that thing is like awesome. So yeah, I'm happy I got that in my box. And then I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil and I'm lining my lips. This is my favorite thing to do, like ever. And I'm blending that line out so it's not so harsh. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply, my favorite nude lip gloss. I'm not sure which one it was. My bad. But that's it, y'all. Let me know if you guys have any questions about today's look. Make sure you guys check out my my dip dye tutorial on this hair, as well as my video on how I styled this hair. So yeah, check it all out. I'll leave it all down below on where you can watch that at. And as always, thanks for watching.